Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Well, today is part 2 of my review for DPClubs, and we have 2 beautiful stamped cross stitches to show you. So let's get to it. All right, I will put a picture of it here. Right, since the picture was teeny tiny itty bitty. As you can see, it's pink flowers on a glass table by a window. I thought it was just stunning. So let's see how stunning it is. It is a 45 by 45. And it was $11.70. No. This is a 45 by 45. $11.79. Okay. I thought I had something wrong there. Let's take a look at the pattern. Pattern looks pretty good all together. It does have the product number, how big it is here, and it does not say down here how many squares per square. It is like 168 maybe, I think, somewhere in there. And it does have 40 colors. This is pretty good in printing. It does have a few lighter like areas, like right in there and maybe in here, but it's not smudged or smeared or anything, so that's a good thing. And it's good size, so it's good enough to see. I mean, as far as I'm concerned. Now some people might want to blow it up if you want to. Paper pattern should match the canvas for the symbols, and we have 310 black, 550 purple, that's 777, which is a red, or a shade of red. We'll call it that, a shade of red. 823, no 939, no 3865, or 3371. And it does look like it's going to have some confetti. I can see that here. The flowers aren't so terribly bad. It's just the leaves and whatever's going on outside that window. It's where the confetti lies. So yeah. Now it does have, I'm looking at this a little bit better. I don't know if you can see that. Let me fold it in half so I can hold it. See how there's kind of blotching across that, but it does not interfere with what is right there. It shouldn't have, but they're getting better. We'll give them some more time. Lay that right up there so it doesn't fall down. See what else we have. We have paper instructions on how to start, how to finish, how to do the stitches, which is very nice for people that have never done this before. We have a toolkit with a faintly printed picture of puppy dogs. So we have 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and needle threader. Very nice. The threads all come in their own separate bag. So it does say 45 by 45 and the product number that matches paper pattern and the canvas. So I like them done this way. That way they're not all moving around while they're being shipped. They're secure. I like that. Get that crinkly paper. Now if they could just get rid of the crinkly paper, we'd have it made, right? So we have a hank of 169, which is kind of a medium gray. Very nice. I'm assuming that that's for the background or bigger areas. Let's take a look at the threads. Hang on, give it a little shake. So you got browns and purple and kind of a dark blue-green, if you will. Kind of an antique gold looking. And that lovely mocha color. Oh, beautiful. And let's see here. So we have lots of shades of grays, and we have some peach and reds. There's your 550 purple. Some more shades of red. Maybe that isn't that. I did that before. Hang on, there'll be a moment in delay. Number 17 is 550 purple. So this is not 550 purple. I should know better. There it is. That's like a royal purple. Gorgeous. Just love it. I love purples and blues. I love all colors. There's just, I'm not real hot on total black or total white or grays. But yeah, beautiful colors. Even greens. Even have olive green. This is kind of a greenish gray over here. So very nice colors. Very nice. Let's put this here. Roll that up so nothing gets lost. We do have a serged canvas, and I know it's serged because they left the little fuzzies here on the ends. Oh, come on. I have a pile of fuzzies here. I think we got it all. All right, let's take a look at this canvas. And it's not very big, but it is up close. And with 40 colors, you're going to have a lot of definition. So this is a very nice, doable size. You know, it'd take me months. I mean, if I did this every day, it'd take me 4 or 5 months to finish. So, very nice, very well printed. Serging is nice. It does not interfere in the numbers. So, very doable. Let's take a look and see how big it is. It is 45 centimeters or 17 3/4 that way. This way it is 46 centimeters and a little over 18 inches. Actual picture size is 15.5 or 39.5 centimeters that way. 38.5 centimeters or a little bit over 15. So it's a little bit taller than it is wider, but very well done. I'm just very pleased with this. And you can see all the confetti. There are some bigger areas over in here and down. And the background has lots of shading for those, for like the window jamb thing on the sides. You can actually see it. And then there's stuff going on outside. So there's confetti like from here around, just in this area. So, very nice, and some up in there. But just a very beautiful, stunning picture. It's gorgeous. I love it. Love it. Oh, and the canvas is kind of heavy. It's not one of the thinner new ones. All right, this next one, I will put a picture here. Right. Well, this was gorgeous. Yeah. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. It is a 55 by 40. And it was $12.79. Let's take a look at this pattern. 147 by 212. I'm losing my voice. It has 28 colors. I don't know. I think it's going to be okay. Because most of your confetti is going to be on your outside and then down through his feathers and stuff. But yeah, I think it'll be fine. I really do. I'm going to have to stitch this to know. You know? But I like that it's long and wide this time and not so squared off. I have a lot of squared pictures. let's see. It has 310 black, 550 purple, 823, no 939, and no 3865 or 3371. We'll see. When I, like I said, when I get ready to stitch it, but there is nothing wrong with this pattern. It is very clear and precise. There's no smudging, no smearing, no nothing. Pure. Gorgeous. All right. So let's see what else we got. We have a couple things. We have the instruction page again for beginners, start, finish, how to do stitches. Awesome. It just makes me feel good that they put that in with kits, because not everybody has done this for 100 years or done 50 million of these little kits, and you don't know where to start, what to do. Oh my gosh, it's like, whoa, overwhelming. Yeah. Toolkit, very nice. 5 needles, poop ball thimble, and needle threader. With this time we have an actual stag. And you can actually see it, is what I meant to say, not an actual stag. You can see it. Sometimes they get printing really light. Yellow is so not good for those bags. Just saying for a friend. All right, it does have a bag, how big it is, and how many squares per square. And the product number. Holy cow, I'm losing my mind, guys. Losing my mind. Get it out of the bag. So we got some Hanks this time. And I bet it's 310 black. Oh, 310 black and 310 black. Yep, 2 Hanks, 80 strands right there. Each of them are 40. Let's take a look at the rest of the threads. Hang on, get it all shook it out. I think the colors are going to be stunning on this. I really do. I'm hoping. Yep, we got jewel tones. We got jewel tones. Beautiful greens, blues. Look at that rust color. Look at that blue, cerulean. And that bright blue and bright pink. Bright green. Oh, yeah. We have kind of an orangish red. I am losing my voice. Orangish red. Kind of a goldish orange yellow. Kind of a reddish orange. Some red. Beautiful colors. Just outstanding. Isn't that gorgeous? Ugh, can you ever? Let's take a look at the canvas now. We get it undone. Oh yeah. Your confetti's out here on the outside edges and like down where his feathers are. But beautiful. And there, no wonder there's 2 skeins of 310 black, because it's on the outer edges. Like somebody just put a light through the stained glass window right in one area, and then it gets darker as it goes out. Yeah, I like that. Just beautiful. Serged all the way around. There were no fuzzies this time. And the stitching goes into the numbers just a little bit. So it doesn't bother me at all. I mean, it's on the paper can or paper pattern. So, yeah. It's not a big deal. Alright, let's see how big it is. It is 55 centimeters, or a little over 21 and a half. And this way, it's 39 and a half, or a little over 15 and a half inches. Actual picture size is 13 and a quarter, or 33 and a half. And it is 48 and a half centimeters this way, almost 19 and a quarter inches going this way. So it's nice and wide. I have no idea where I'd start. I mean, part of me wants to start that that Peacock in the center, which is $7.62. Okay. So, yeah, it'll be interesting to see how this all plays. You know, but I think 28 colors is going to be just fine. We'll have to see. We will have to see. But I thought it was a beautiful picture. Nice, soft. It's kind of a medium fabric this time. It's not thick, you know, and real stiff. It's pretty pliable. So I'm liking these softer canvases. Yes, very nice. Thank you, DPClubs, for the kits this week and last. DPClubs has diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all three of those. I do have a 15% off discount code in the description box. Let's say that 3 times. And they have no embroidery, but they have lots of crafts for cross stitch and diamond painting. Diamond painting, I think, is the dominant as far as having all those extra little crafty things. You know what I mean? Where they have fewer on the cross stitch. There's just not as many things out there for that. I mean, you have your stockings and your little hangings, and I do believe they even have the clock faces that you can do. So check them out. I'm sure there's something there for everyone. They always have a wide variety, great prices. They're an awesome store, and I have ordered from them personally, and great customer service, and delivery time has been about 2 weeks from the time they ship, so I've not had a problem with this store at all. Thank you again, DPClubs. Beautiful, beautiful kits. We'll have to start something today, but not sure what that's going to be yet, so hang in there. Wait for the afternoon video, and you'll see. Alright guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.